So let me show you how to see all Bluetooth devices when scanning with your Redmi Note 15 Pro. So if you go into settings and then go to Bluetooth and you're scanning for available Bluetooth devices, but for some reason there's a Bluetooth device you cannot or your phone is refusing to show, that's probably because that Bluetooth device does not have a name, or maybe your phone is not able to work out the name of that Bluetooth device. So what you need to do is go into additional settings, and then you need to enable this option that says show Bluetooth devices without names. So you turn that on, and then now you should see way more available devices, even devices that do not have names. Now, this shows the MAC address of those particular devices. So you need to know the MAC address of that particular device you're trying to connect, and then try and match it with the MAC address that's here, and then you should be able to connect any kind of Bluetooth device, right? So I don't normally recommend this. You need to do this only if you're very sure what you're connecting to. So I will prefer, once you're done with your shenanigans, you go back to this setting and turn it off just for security reasons. Anyway, thanks for watching and good luck.